Cross-Tech Commons, this is Elizabeth.
To speak with the property manager.
That would be myself.
Hi, I'm a local member of the provide full-service janitorial cleanings for apartments and property managers. This can include daily upkeep or one-time deep cleans, and they're all handled in-house. One thing about us is that we are not a franchise. Our team is local, trained, and invested in long-term client relationships, and all of our employees are W-2 staff and not subcontracted. So this gives you better accountability and quality control. We're calling to see if you'd be open to an in-person meeting with our technician, provide you with a competitive quote, and show you a sample demonstration cleaning kit to show you how we handle those common cleaning challenges.
I actually do basically all my cleaning in-house with a caretaker, so I'm not interested right now. So.
Okay, so you don't need anybody to help come in with like deep cleans or turnovers or like apartment turns, anything like that? You just do it all yourself? Who handles it when you're on vacation? It's a lot of load for somebody.
Yeah. I mean, I guess how much are your turn clean costs? And yes.
Well, unfortunately, I don't have pricing information. What I can do is I can set you up with that in-person meeting. It wouldn't be today, nothing like that. We're not going to bombard you last minute. What I'd like to do, because Thanksgiving is next week, I'd like to shoot for Friday the 4th, I believe it is. That way we can just get him to come by. He'll give you a in-person quote. Even if we don't sign up, we don't expect you to come with your wallet out like a first date. We're not asking you to foot the bill right away, anything like that. We just want to come by, give you that information, say, look here, for your apartment or for your deep cleans or whatever, here's what the pricing info would be.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, I'm always up for another quote.
All right.
Or like just it would probably be just like turn cleans.
Yeah, of course. We can go over that once he comes in on the 4th. He can set that all up with you, going over, like I said, we do either or. We have different project types as well. So let me get your information. I'm starting to ramble. I apologize. What did you say your first name was? Can you spell it for me?
Yes.
Oh, okay. It sounded like you were saying, and I was like, that's a very unique name, and I'm so afraid I'm going to misspell it. All right, what's your last name?
Jason Doug, U-Y.
All right, D-I, and you are the property manager. All right, and then what's a good email address just to send that reminder over to?
Yep. Companies, plural, .com.
Okay. And then, like I said, my goal is to shoot for the 4th because we got Thanksgiving. I don't know if you're a Black Friday shopper. I personally am not. But if you are, we don't want to overload you. I'm sorry, it's Thursday the 4th. What do you say to like a 9:30 in the morning? Is that too early, or is that like a good time?
Nope, that would be fine. That would be fine.
That is 9:30 a.m. Central Time. All right, so we'll come by, and then we just need to verify the address I have, and that's in. All right, perfect. So come back here, slow down. Thank you. All right. Looks like I have everything. Yeah, they just want the address verified. So yeah, everything will be based on your property's need, and like I said, that local W-2 team handles all the work. Better consistency, accountability, whether it's ongoing or just getting a property move-in ready. So that sounds like it should be something that we could, definitely get set up with you. The address has been verified. All good. So he knows where he's going. All right. Thank you, Ms. I appreciate your time today.
Yeah, no problem. Thanks.
Bye.
Goodbye.